Hi guys, today I'm going to share how you're going to get started on INCELLDERM EX line using our newest travel kit. So this travel kit is only facial line, no hair or body, which are also amazing, but if you're looking to try our full EX line, this kit is perfect. So let's start off by washing the face. I'm going to wash my face with this enzyme powder. There's no chemical soap in this powder wash, so it's very gentle on your skin and very effective. So wet your hand and pour out the powder about a quarter size. Mix it with water and lather up in your hand. And then massage the foam onto your skin. And then rinse off with warm water thoroughly. I'll be right back. Okay, I rinsed my face. So the enzyme powder is a really clean ingredient and effective enough to get the sunscreen and like BB cream if you have it on. But if you have a thicker makeup, I recommend using an oil cleanser beforehand and then use the powder. I also let my kids use this when they have sunscreen on their face. Okay, so after washing your face right away, get the oil mist and shake it up really well. And then spray 1, 2, 3. And just spread out really well. Maybe one more time on the neck. And after that is the calming gel. So oil mist and calming gel, you can use generous amount. So oil mist and calming gel hydrate and balance your skin and also prep the skin for the next 3 steps. So next 3 steps are the serum, booster, and the cream, and these 3 items contain nano-liposome capsules, which means you don't want to be too rough with these. You kind of want to spread out gently and let everything sit and absorb. So I'm going to use a serum. So I'm going to use a full dropper amount. Don't use more than that because your skin needs some time to adjust to these potent ingredients, anti-aging ingredients going deep into your skin. So if you're too ambitious and use a lot in the beginning, you might experience some reactions like rashes or like redness or burning sensation, which is rare, but it could happen. So we're going to slowly ease in. And then right after is the booster. Booster is most potent with the smallest molecule size that's going deepest into the skin. So I'm going to do 1 on my forehead, 1 on each cheek, and just super gently, no pressure, just spread out, and let everything sit for a minute and absorb. Okay, and the last step is the cream. So the cream, I'm going to use about this much and kind of distribute it out and gently spread out. So the cream feels kind of thick when you spread out, but once everything absorbs, you won't feel sticky at all. So don't worry about that. Okay, so spread out and let it absorb. I'm going to give it 3 minutes, maybe do my hair or brush my teeth. I'll be right back. So after about a week or so, you're going to start feeling really tightening and tugging sensation around, especially around your jawline and cheeks. So once you feel that, it's great because that means your skin is working hard, your cells are working hard to firm up and tighten your skin. So once you feel that, you might mistake it for having dry skin because it's kind of tight. So if you feel tight around your around your mouth and jawline, I recommend using another layer of calming gel at the end. So what I do is, so after booster serum, booster cream are all nicely absorbed, I just do a thin layer, additional thin layer of calming gel on top. Okay. All right. And after that is the sun gel. Sun gel is really, really nice. People love our sun gel because it doesn't give you that white cast. It just glides on so nicely. And it doesn't really make your eyes burn, or it doesn't have strong smell. Don't forget your neck and your ears. And lastly is our BB. So for the BB cream, the key is using teeny tiny bit. So watch me. I normally use that much. It's like not much at all. It's smaller than pea size. And then spread out evenly. And it gives you light coverage with a nice glow. And great thing about our BB is if you let it absorb, you can wear your facial mask and it does not get on your mask at all. So if you don't want to wear like a thick foundation, our BB is so light, so comfortable on your skin. It just gets on your skin and just absorb really nicely, so you won't even feel like you have something on your face. And see how nice and glowy my skin looks. Healthy. It doesn't look cakey, or I don't even look like I have anything on, like foundation or anything. So I love our BB. So people that complain BB is too light or it gives you like that gray, whitish gray cast, that means you're using too much. Okay, so try using teeny tiny bit and just spread it out really well and see how you like it. I hope you enjoy.